Hi, this is Bonnie and Rufus. We're from South Carolina and we're traveling to Texas. One of our stops on the way was in Shreveport, Louisiana at the Shreveport Bossier City KOA. This KOA is probably less than 3 miles off of Interstate 20. It's on the south side of Interstate 20 and easy to get to. The campground is well laid out. There are about 83 RV sites, and 7 of them are back-in while the remainder are pull-throughs. One thing we really liked was the swimming pool. It's large, very clean, and I think the deep end is 5 feet. Near the pool there's a community area, and there's a large grill, picnic tables under a covered shelter, and also a playground for the kids. The laundry area, as you can see in the photos, is very clean. It has nice washers and dryers and soap and bleach dispensers, and it also has an ironing board and a folding table. Likewise, we found the bathrooms and showers very clean, very well maintained. Adjacent to the office, there's a nice store that's complete with all type of RV equipment, accessories, and some food items too. You can also buy ice and propane here. Here's some shots of the different campsites. They're very well marked, so you won't have any trouble finding your sites. They're all very level and come with concrete patios and picnic tables and chairs. There's even cable TV hookups, and it's a full-service RV park. So you've got electricity, water, sewer, and cable. Sites 61 through 105 are located behind the office and pool area. Here's a look at some of the cabins. These are located in the back. There are tent sites available with water and electricity, and there's a few primitive sites available. Also, you'll find a very nice dog park. It's separated into small dogs and large dogs. They even have agility equipment in there if you want to run your dogs through it. This is our dog Jesse showing off his skills. There's also a pond back behind the dog park. I don't know what it's used for, but it is a pond. We like the Shreveport Bossier City KOA. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of our videos.